Okay, hello, good day. Again, I'm Engineer Ernesto C. Prudenciado Jr. and welcome to my channel. So let's continue with our discussion in integral calculus. Okay, so we are now in constant of integration. So in our previous topic, we're evaluating functions that resolve into solution and has a constant of integration which is called c. Okay, so for example, in this particular function, the integral of first derivative of x dx equals to the function of x plus c. Okay, so this is now called general solution. Okay, so take for example, if you know already the value of c, for example, if we have this plus 5, so c here is 5, so we can now say that this is now a particular solution. Okay, so the problem here is how to evaluate the constant of integration to become a particular solution. So in other words, we will find the specific solution. So let's continue. Okay, so let's jump to the example. Okay, so example number 1, if dy over dx equals 2x minus 3 and y equals 3 when x is equals 2, find y in terms of x. Okay, so this is differential equation with conditions. So this is the condition. Y is equals to 3 when x equals to 2. Okay, so let's solve. So dy over dx is equals to 2x minus 3. Okay, so let's transfer the dx, 2x minus 3 dx. Okay, so we can now integrate this one. So integral of dy equals integral of 2x minus 3 dx. Okay, so this is going to be y plus c1. Okay, because in the left there is also a constant of integration, but most of the time in our previous discussion, so we already combined that. So next is what? So 2x squared over 2 minus 3x. Okay, plus c2. Okay, so this is going to be y equals x squared minus 3x. I will just combine, so this becomes what? Plus c2 minus c1. So I can combine this. So I will write x squared minus 3x plus c. Okay, so as long as we all know that c is equals to c2 minus c1. Okay, okay, we can now look back to our condition. Y equals to 3 when x equals to 2. Okay, so this is now our condition. So let's substitute. Okay, so y 3 equals x 2 squared minus 3x is 2 plus c. So we can solve now for c because we now have one unknown. So what will happen to this? So negative 2, so this becomes c equals 5. Okay, so this is now the value of c. So to get the particular solution, we will just substitute this to our solution. Okay, so particular solution y equals x squared minus 3x plus 5. Okay, so this is now your final answer. Okay, so let's solve number 2. Okay, a curve whose slope is 3x squared passes through point 0, 4. Find the equation of the curve. Okay, okay, so we all know that the slope is equal to dy over dx. Now recall your differential calculus. So this is 3x squared. Okay, the condition is x equals to 0, y equals to 4. Okay, so let's solve first the equation. dy equals 3x squared dx. Okay, so integration. So this becomes y plus c1 equals what? 3x cubed over 3 plus c2. Okay, y equals, I will transfer the c1 to the right, no? So this becomes what? X cubed plus c2 minus c1. Okay, so I will replace c2 minus c1 as c. Okay, so this is now our general solution. Okay, so let's use the condition when x equals to 0, y equals to 4. Okay, substituting condition. Okay, x equals to 0, y equals to 4. Okay, so therefore this becomes 4 equals 0 cubed plus c. Okay, so c equals to 4. Okay, so is that the final answer? No, we still solve particular solution. Okay, so the general solution is y equals x cubed plus c, but we already know c, so this is 4. So this is now the answer, and this is called particular solution. Okay, okay, so let's go to problem number 3. Find the particular solution that satisfies the differential equation and initial condition is f prime of x equals 6x. So if function of x is -1, so it would be equal to 3. Okay, so simply this is dy over dx equals 6x. Okay, so the condition is if the function of x is -1, that would be equal to 3. Okay, so therefore this one dy is equals to 6x dx. Okay, so let's just integrate this. So this becomes what? Y plus c1 equals 6x squared over 2 plus c2. Okay, so y equals what? 3x squared plus c2 minus c1. Okay, so again, c2 and c1 can be combined, so this becomes c. Okay, so let's use the condition. So condition is f function -1, that would be equal to 3. So we will solve the c using this condition. So this becomes what? Y equals to 3 times 3 -1 squared plus c. Okay, so this becomes 3 equals what? -1 squared is 1, so this becomes 3 plus c. Therefore, c equals to 0. No? Correct? Okay. So, we have now the value of c. So, let's just substitute that to our general solution. Our general solution is here. General solution. Okay? So, to get particular solution, okay, we will substitute the value of c to our general solution. So y equals 3x2 plus the value of c is 0. Therefore, y equals 3x squared. Okay, this is the particular solution. Okay, so I hope you learned something today. Bye-bye. God bless. Thank you.